Hello everyone, Patrick from Freename here. Today we're going to take a look at our latest addition to our platform, which is the referral code program. So let's dive right in. It's quite easy. As you will see. So let's start with a brief introduction first. We just introduced this function. It has been very much requested from our community, so we decided to add it ASAP. What it is essentially is a referral program. What every Freename user can do is essentially generate their own code, their own referral links to receive some royalties. So how it will work is that we're going to take our link, we're going to send it to some of our friends that are going to join Freename, make their first purchase on the website, and we will get 15% of every transaction done with this code. So let's start. So here I am on the home page. As you can see, I already logged in. What I have to do to get my referral code is quite easy. I just need to click on my username right here, and as you can see, you're gonna have the copy referral link button. We just press on it, and it will automatically save our referral link to our clipboard. As you can see, my code is 7 Island Admire. So now that I have my link copied on the clipboard, I just need to send it. I can send it to my friends, to my family, and for every purchase that they do, I'm gonna get 15% back on any purchase, TLDs, domains, whatever. Once they do that, I can just go to my username here and go to portfolio and incomes just to check if any of them had bought anything. I go to my incomes, and if any of them had done a transaction using my link, I'm gonna have my incomes here to claim. So from then on, just claim my income and it's done. So thank you for watching. This was our referral code little tutorial, and see you guys for the next one.